Morales from the Spiegel Center in Newton, Massachusetts. This short video should help answer some questions you may have about working with insurance. Of course, you want the best results possible, and you know that Dr. Spiegel has unparalleled experience and expertise in facial feminization surgery. His procedures are life-changing and empowering, but yes, we understand that depending upon how much you need and because of the high quality, they may become expensive. Some people work for corporations or have health insurance that may help, and many people want to know if the Spiegel Center will accept their health insurance coverage. Well, good news. We will work with any insurance company and always have. It's really quite simple. As long as your insurance company agrees to cover the cost of your surgery, you are all set. All we need is a simple letter from them stating they will do it. This is typically known as a single case agreement, though sometimes you may hear someone call it a letter of agreement or LOA. So how do you get one of these single case agreements? Well, that depends upon your insurance company. If you have Harvard Pilgrim, you will need an office visit referral from your primary care provider and 2 letters of medical necessity, one from your primary care provider and one from a mental health provider. Then we can schedule a consultation. You'll only be responsible for paying your office visit copay. If you have any other insurance, you should come in or arrange for a video consultation. There is a modest consultation fee, but we will provide you with paperwork that you can submit to your insurance company for reimbursement. After you and Dr. Spiegel develop a treatment plan, we will give you a sample letter that you can submit to your insurance company. They'll then generate the single case agreement, also known as an LOA. If you have any uncovered procedures, co-insurance, or deductibles, you'll be responsible to pay those prior to your surgery date. We found that if you notify your insurer in advance and can develop a good relationship with a case manager, you'll have better success and an easier time. The personal touch helps a lot. Once we receive the single case agreement, you can pick a surgery date. Depending upon your insurance company's responsiveness, the process in obtaining a single case agreement can take some time. It is always an option to pay for the procedures on your own and submit for reimbursement from your insurer afterwards. I and your Spiegel Center Care Coordinator will do everything we can to assist you, answer questions, and guide you through the process. We have had experience working with most insurers, and we're here to help. If you have any questions, you can always call us at 617-566-3223 or email us at info@drspiegel.com, and that's info@drspiegel.com. Remember, I before the E.